Hey family, hey friends, where y'all been? I am back with another simple, easy peasy recipe. I'm gonna show y'all how I make the best, creamiest, homemade mashed potatoes from scratch. Without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna be using these golden potatoes. I know a lot of people like to use red potatoes. I like golden potatoes because to me, they're softer. They're softer than the Idaho. They're softer than the red potatoes. I like to use the golden potatoes. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna be using today. And you can use any brand. I like Kroger brand because that's why I shop at Kroger. So I like Kroger brand. That's what I'm gonna buy for me. In your household, you buy what you like. All right, I'm gonna be using some Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm gonna be using some Kroger brand sour cream, and I have some Land O'Lakes butter. I'm probably only going to use a half a stick of butter for this. So first thing first, I'm going to grab me about 5 of these potatoes, get them washed off, and I'm going to peel them. Yes, I am going to peel them completely. I'm not going to leave any skin on my potatoes. I know people who use the red potatoes, they like to use some of their skin on. I don't like to leave skin on my potatoes at all. So I will be peeling these all the way completely. All right? All right, y'all. So I'm going to peel these potatoes. Do I have a potato peeler? Yes, but I like to peel mine just like this, quick, fast, and easy with a little paring knife. Get your little paring knife and peel your potatoes, honey. I ain't gonna sit here and let y'all watch me peel all these potatoes and dice them up, but I'm gonna show you how I dice them up small so it won't take as long for them to cook, to boil, to get soft. So I'm just doing little cubes. Just little cubes. Maybe a nickel size or dime size. But that's it, that's all. So let me get these all peeled and diced up. And I'll see y'all at the stove in my pot with hot water. Alright y'all, so my water boiling for my mashed potatoes. I'm just going to put a little salt in there. Alright. And I am going to put the potatoes in there. These are all of my potatoes. I did wait till my water get hot. And I'm just going to let these boil for about 15 minutes. And we'll be back when they get done boiling. Alright y'all, my mashed potatoes are done. And I'm going to go ahead and strain them. Alright y'all, I already strained the water off my potatoes. Make sure when you strain your potatoes for your mashed potatoes, get all the water out. Get all the water out. So I'm putting a half of container. This is an 8-ounce size. I'm putting about 4 ounces of cream cheese in there. Even if I would have had the whole 8 ounces, which I didn't, I used it in something else, I still wouldn't have put the whole 8 ounces in there. You only want to put half of it. So that was like 4 ounces. So I'm going to use half a stick of butter. And I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of sour cream. That was a little bit more than 2 tablespoons. But put as much as your little heart desires. All right, and I'm going to take my masher and I'm going to mash this up. What makes this come out so good and creamy and it can mash so easily is because the potatoes are still hot. Don't let your potatoes sit there and cool down and get cold, because then, honey, it's going to take you a minute to mash those potatoes up. So make sure you do it while they are still hot. Not even warm, hot. That's how I like to do mine. As far as seasonings goes, I'm going to do a little salt. If you want to do a little bit of anything else, onion powder, garlic powder, you can do that. I'm going to put a little bit of salt and a little bit of smoked paprika in mine. A little bit of salt. A little bit of paprika. Just a little bit. And that's it. That's all. Look at that. Look how creamy they are. Look at that. Look at that. Good, thick, old, creamy mashed potatoes. Let me grab a plate. Let me just scoop a little bit on my plate here. Look at that. Look at that. Let me try it. can't miss with this. You cannot miss with this. The cream cheese, the sour cream, the butter, the salt. You want to put some black pepper in there, you can. Best cream potatoes I ever had. I won't eat them no other way. Anyway, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thank you for all of my new subscribers, all the new people that come in and comment. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until that next video, turn that notification bell on so every time I upload a new video on Thursdays and Sundays at 10 a.m., you will get notified. I'll see you guys then. Bye!